in thousands of pesos is given by this equation. 4 plus 20x squared minus 3x to the third minus 10x, where x represents the amount of items produced and sold in hundreds of items. We have to find the number of items that should be produced to get a maximum income. So first of all, we have to get the derivative. So the derivative of 4, because it's a constant, you put 0, plus you have to get these 2 down, multiplying these 20. So it will be 40x, and you have to subtract 1 in these exponents, so it will be x minus 9x squared minus 10. Because 1 minus 1 is 0, so you cancel it, so it stays like that. So next we have to arrange the constants. So it will be 1 prime of I prime of x equals to 9x squared minus 40x minus 10 minus 9.
Now to get the zeros of the equation, which is this one, we're going to pass it everything negative. So it's 9x squared minus 40x plus 10. We're going to apply the general formula, which is minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. We're going to substitute the values, which are 40 plus minus the square root of minus 40 squared minus 4 times 9 times 10, and everything divided by 2 times 9. Then you're going to apply the arithmetic, and it's the square root of 1,600 minus 360 divided by 18, and then it will be 40 plus minus the square root of 1,240 divided by 18, and this is 40 plus minus 35.21, and you're going to get 2 values from this. The first one, when you add it, it's 4.70, and the second one is 0.26. But you're going to cancel this one because you're going to you will have to get the maximum, so it will be this answer.
Since both x were positive, we're going to explain why 4.17 is the maximum point. Because in the graph we can see maximum and minimum point. And even though both are positive, 4.17 marks in x the maximum point in y. 4.17 point is a maximum point. We're going to show several ways to prove it. First of all, we get the second derivative, and after we get it, we equal it to 0. So we get the interval, which then we do this graph, which we mark the interval from minus infinite to the point, and then the point to infinite. So first of all, we have test values. We can choose any number that is less than 2.22. In this case, we choose 0, which when substituted in the graph is going to give us a positive number, which means that the graph is going to be upwards. In the second, in this, we're going to to choose 3 because it's 2.2, a number that is greater than that, but it gives us a minimum, so it goes downwards. Also, we know that if the critical value, when substituted in the second derivative, equals a greater than 0, we also know that if the critical value, when substituted in the second derivative, equals less than 0, is going to be a maximum point, and if it equals greater than 0, is going to be a minimum point.
Yes.
Which in this case will be, when substituted, for example, here, that is minus 18 times 4.70 plus 40 is going to give us minus 35.006, which is going to prove that it's a maximum point because it's minus 0.
Thank you very much.